Friends, details of the HSLC evaluation formula is finally published today. In what criteria the school or the board will award the marks to the class 10 students. So there are two formulas. The first formula is that the students will be evaluated through the marks obtained in class 9 examination held in 2019 or prior with the pre-board or any revision test which is held in class 10 in recent years. This is the first formula. Here 9 class annual examination marks, with that class 10 pre-board or any such revision test held in school in the recent year, these two will be counted. This is the first formula. And the second formula is that in the second formula only the students will be evaluated through the exams, annual exams held in class 9. So these are the two formulas. In the second formulas only annual exam held in 2009, that will be considered. Now what is the marking scheme? In the first scheme where class 9 and pre-board is taken, there the students will be awarded 40% marks, weightage marks from the theory paper of annual examination. What they got marks in the theory paper of the class 9 examination in each subject, that 40% weightage will be taken from there. Then 40% weightage will be taken from the pre-board or any revision test held in recent year, and 20% marks from the unit test in the current year. So 40 plus 40 plus 20, in this way the result will be prepared. This is for the first formula. 40% from the class 9 annual examination in each subject only from the theory paper, 40% weightage from the pre-board examination, and then 20% from the unit test, and that 40% from the annual theory paper they will take. Now in the formula B, 70% weightage from the theory paper of class 9 and 30% from the unit test in the recent years, or your pre-board held or such examination held in the school in the recent years, that 30% will be taken. But in this year there will be no such 10 toppers list will be declared in the portal. No such 10 toppers we will get this year, and the result prepared for any student for a particular school can't vary more than 10% of the any of the 3 previous year examination held for that particular school, board examination. So this is the examination pattern. This is the annual pattern, result pattern, and the evaluation pattern is clear to all of you. Class 10 examination. Thanks for watching, and please share to others.